Hi everyone. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notifications on your smartwatch using the HRY Fine app. This method works for both Android and iPhone users. I recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the app to follow this tutorial exactly. First, make sure that Bluetooth and GPS are turned on, and that the app has all the required permissions, especially location access. To do this, press and hold the app icon, tap App Info, then go to Permissions and enable location along with any other permissions you may need, such as nearby devices and notifications. Open the app. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. You'll also need to log in with an account. In this case, I recommend using a guest account and creating a username like the one shown in the video. Next, a message will appear requesting permission. Tap Go to Settings and enable HRY Fine. Then, return to the app. This will allow you to receive notifications on your smartwatch. You should perform this process at your own risk. Inside the HRY Fine app, go to the Me section and select Search Device. Once your smartwatch is connected, go to Device Settings and then Message Notifications. If the watch does not appear in the list, you may need to reset the smartwatch to factory settings and repeat the process again. After connecting the watch, go to Device Settings, then Message Notifications, and enable notifications for the apps you want, such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or SMS. Finally, make sure your phone does not have notification restrictions enabled and that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. This will help ensure your smartwatch receives notifications correctly. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, leave a like, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.